Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today you guys can see here, we have a brand new unboxing for you guys today. This is from Gemini Jets, also from DeltaAirlines.com, or the Delta Airlines shop, Delta shop. Super cool. They usually partner with Gemini Jets on a lot of special releases, mostly the Olympic releases, so without further ado guys, let's get open and take a look here. I'm sure like NG models and a lot of other brands will be making these as well, but it still could be, could be like 6 months or something, until they have one. So super cool. We're going to obviously put this on my ATL layout here, guys, which is going to be really cool. So yeah, let's get this open here. Got some facts over here, like we can see here. And Gemini Jets is always usually pretty good at doing that. 2025 release here. But yeah, very special one. I think I'm honestly going to go for the 1 to 200 scale this too, because I am going to do, I don't know what airport yet, but I'm going to do one of these in 1 to 200. Maybe ATL here. I might do ATL 1 200. We'll see. But let's get this open. Opening the box, you can see it nicely packaged in here, guys. Wow. Really love this livery. Look at the lines on there. That is super cool. Let's get this set down somewhere nice. And this is actually just going to go right on Atlanta layout here, so let me just pack it up quick. Taking a nice close look here. Wow, guys, that's incredible. Look at the detail on this aircraft. November 531 Delta November. Super cool. Here's the bottom. Great work on the landing gear here and the engines, as well as the paint job. I don't want to break this thing, guys. This thing's so delicate. Got the American flags on the front. Official airline of Team USA here. Let me turn it around. Let's get a good look at the engines here. What a beast of an airplane here. Nice view from the top here as well. And let's put it on ATL layout here, guys, so I can show you guys it better. All right, guys, here's a little bit better of a look at it. Parked at the gate here. Wow. What a stunning looking aircraft here. Super happy to have this in my collection of Team USA airplanes. I think there's like 4 or 5 of these things now, so there's a lot of them. So definitely will go down in history as like the most airline I feel like with the most like Team USA like variety of aircraft here. So that's super cool. One last good look at the airplane here. You guys can get this at the Delta shop here. I'll leave a link for it or to their shop in the description too, guys, so you guys can purchase this. But I believe that's the only place that you can get it. People are reselling on like eBay for a lot of money, but I'm going to go ahead and get the 1 to 200 too, I think, while it's out. But other than that, guys, super cool. Hope you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.